Suddenly I felt the need to show you what I'm cooking. It's not even from the beginning, but still I want you to see because it looks so amazing. So today I'm making asado without bones, flankin. And here I already prepared the sauce, the dress, where it's gonna be cooking in. So I tell you what I have here. I have here a fried onion, garlic, ginger, small cubes of ginger, if you can see here, small pieces. I have here rosemary, some tomato paste. I have here some barbecue sauce, some honey, some soy sauce, and red wine, and some of chicken broth, or it could be water. Now, and of course pepper. I braised it from both sides, and I put salt and pepper. So, and it's like 3 pieces that they little like thin. So basically, I don't think it's not gonna be salty enough. Now we're gonna take the flankin and put in the sauce. You see, I took big enough, but you know, they can be a little bit one on each other because anyways, I peeled some potatoes, Idaho potatoes, and I left them very big pieces. Like if it's small potatoes, you can even put them like whole, no problem at all. Those potatoes eventually gonna be very soft in the dish. It's gonna be like chamin, you know, like chamin potatoes, if you know what is chamin. I could even put few more. I'll put few more now. And I forgot, I decided to put some dried plums. It makes, first of all, it makes special flavor. Second of all, it gives like brownish color, like, you know, like more brown color. And you know, it's a dry fruit, it's never bad. So of course you put as many as you want, and I also decided to put dried apricots, also just few. You don't have to do it, but I love this combination of wine and ginger and rosemary and sorry, I forgot, I put in the sauce also Dijon mustard. Yes, I forgot. And you know, dry fruits, all this combination together is amazing. Okay, so first of all, as you see, how liquid doesn't cover the meat, but it's like 3/4 of the meat covered. It's gonna be all, you know, inside the meat eventually. It's gonna get it's gonna be less liquids in the end of the cooking. And also the fat of the meat gonna be added to that. So now I'm putting, I'm covering it with first with parchment paper. You know, because there is those handles here, you need somehow to manage to do it. It's much easier when you can do it in a big pot with a cover, like iron pot. And then we're gonna take aluminum, the iron, because when I bought it, I forgot about it, and I bought very big piece. But also sometimes you just need a big piece, you know. So you're doing like this. You're going around the handle. Only because it's a big piece, I took this dish. If it was smaller piece, I would prefer to do it in a pot with a cover, because it's much easier to cover it, and especially that I need, during the cook, I need to open it sometime and see maybe once or twice and see how it looks in order to know if I turn it off or not. And then to close it again when it's hot, it's difficult, but it is what it is. Okay, so now it's covered, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. So I put it on 325. You see, 325, and it's gonna be inside probably maybe 3-4 hours. But I need to check it to check how meat soft or not soft, to see if the liquid's not evaporated. Maybe I need to add, maybe it's ready already. And also I think once I'm gonna turn the meat in the middle, so the other half gonna be deep in the sauce. You can do it on 300 also, not 325. You need to know your oven. If your oven is very strong heating, then 300 is better. My oven is professional, so it's like it's not heating is strong, it's more like evenly. So I put 325. Okay, and I'll show you the results. The meat comes out incredible, amazing, and you can make a rice to it if you want, but you can just eat it like that because there is a potatoes inside. So bon appetit to us. Okay, this is the situation after 3 hours in 325. I put everything out. You see, it looks soft, very soft, but I didn't, because I wasn't home, so it just happened that I didn't turn it. I didn't turn it like this. So now I'm gonna turn it. Look, the potatoes, it's falling off. So now it's basically, look, it's very, very soft. It comes out like very, very soft, but I wanna put it for another hour or maybe half an hour on this side. Same temperature. And it's gonna be ready. So we have now, here, look at that, 3 pieces like this, that it's like falling apart completely. Okay, completely falling apart. And our dish is ready.